What do you want? What is it?
You.
What color do you like the best?
That one.
I thought you liked the blue one better.
I like the blue better.
Who lets you drink the blue one?
You.
No, I drink the green ones. You really want some? Don't you think it'll be nasty?
Yeah. No.
Alright,
Sure.
here, let me try some. Don't tell Mama, okay? Hey, look at me. Don't tell Mama. It's supposed to be a secret, okay? Alright, here. Hold on. Alright. Is it good?
Yum yum.